Hello, xin chào cô chú anh chị các bạn nha. Đây mấy mỏi nó khúc nó ăn đây.
I need to get it in the
Beef and chicken, beef and pork, right?
Look.
Beef and pork.
Yeah. Beef and
They
pork.
have the towel, dirty towel.
Go ahead and put that
Over
in
here,
the
you put it in the bottom. Yeah. She made it live, man. Not an onion. Hey, look the onion, no good.
Yeah, the onion's no good.
Yeah.
You got one here. But the onions, usually I put them in almost at the end so they won't get fucked up. My hands are washed. My hands are washed.
Rồi xong muốn bánh tráng này, phải là vậy đó. Abuelo.
¿Dónde abuelo?
¿Dónde?
Vale.
Mày lúa đóng cái dáng một rồi lúa làm mấy dáng mới mình chưa không có không mà sơn nữa. Đóng tới đó ngoài đi lấy nước đá không vậy? Yeah, go in the sink. Hey, you do in the sink.
No buenas.
Clean,
No buenas.
Están good, dude.
clean, you know, at the outside,
This is more fire.
you know. You take out everything, you know, have to take.
Come on.
You know that one. What is it? Oh, nice.
For your house.
The yellow.
Chama, el bote de aluminio que traías el otro día. Oh, güero, ¿no tienes un bote?
The what?
Es
Who?
que estaba tomando un vaso. A mí un bote.
Keep Baso.
¿Qué?
¿Qué haces, pelado?
Arriba Chihuahua.
Ah, olla.
Arriba Chihuahua.
Olla.
¿Qué tal de sal? ¿Sí está más o menos o no?
¿Qué, Felipe? You, Carlos from Chihuahua.
Te va a dar bien seco, neta.
Felipe. You, Carlos from Chihuahua. Eh?
Yeah. Hey, a lot of oil. I see you couple times oil in there.
Much oil.
Oye.
What oil, man? He need the oil.
Sí.
Ah.
Póndele.
Hey, he need the oil more.
Hey, Felipe. Póndele.
Hey, no, bravo, güey.
Muy bravo.
Aguas. Ahí están los Willis ya. Tú, güero. Your favorite.
Muy bravo tú. Muy...
Hey,
Bajita.
amigo.
Arriba Chihuahua.
Hey, cooking good, man.
Looking good, looking good.
Yeah, trying to hungry.
Orejón.
Horse.
Orejón. Dele. No.
Bravo.
No.
Bravo. Hizo falta tomate. Este ya está pedo, el güey.
Orejón. No.
Tiene una pinche hora diciendo eso. Ya, güey, ya.
Ya está como allá en el restaurant, ¿no?
Oh, ya,
Last night. Mire. ¡Woo! ¿Más o menos o no más o menos?
Muscle man, what do you say?
Más o menos soso.
More or less. More or less.
More or less, yeah.
More oil. I saw him couple times oil in there.
No, it's good there. It's cooking good.
Hey, only one, you know, they need the oil, more oil.
Mexican, yeah. A lot of Mexican, yeah. Oil.
Giờ ăn xong rồi cô chú anh chị em và các bạn, ăn xong rồi cái bếp nó lẹm liện luôn rồi.
So that homie,
Giờ ăn xong rồi
¿qué
nhậu.
pasó, chino?
No chino,
Oh,
mexicano chingón güey.
ahí ven.
Yeah,
Chingón.
yeah, from Chihuahua.
Chihuas, arriba Chihuas.
Okay.
You got a beer? Drink a beer with us. Darn it.
No, tú, güey. Chihuahuas.
Chihuahua.
Too lazy today, man.
¿Eh?
Too lazy
Yeah.
today.
Yeah.
Whoever smoked his
Yeah,
bomb.
put in there, man. You don't
Yeah.
throw away a lot.
Ah, no.
Oh, the guy.
Ah, damn. But look, they're halfway.
Check it.
Oh, carne seca.
No
Hey,
teeth.
Sí, I
No
got,
teeth.
I got teeth. Sí, yeah.
No teeth. A ver.
Try.
Mm. You make it?
No. My bad, man.
Who?
Okay.
Oh, you
Good.
brother?
Muy bueno.
Boy, they from God City, Dot City.
Mm-hmm.
27 a pound.
Yeah.
27. It's cheap.
Yo por Chihuahua, ¿verdad? Yo Chihuahua.
Chihuahua taquito.
Sí.
Miau.
Salud.
Salud.
Salud, vato.
Está cabrón.
Felipe.
Where the guy?
No
Look at me.
pensaba.
Oh,
But then
Lavado.
they come in barely.
Who?
That truck. They barely came in.
No.
Huh?
The black one.
Yeah.
After we leave.
No, that black.
Yeah.
The black one or the guy that stayed
Yeah.
with you.
Yeah, but as soon as we left, we came back and they were in already.
I don't know. Maybe he left tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah?
I don't know.
You done the job, right?
I think.
We are.
I don't know. What he job? What he do?
Nothing.
The
Nothing.
guy, what he do?
He take care of his grinder.
Same thing that we do, but we got done earlier than they did.
Oh,
They were still grinding this.
be quiet, man.
Yeah,
Yeah.
real quiet.
Yeah. Like me.
Not like me. Muy buena cerveza.
Hey, on the top.
You want another one? Está buena, eh? ¿Quieres otra?
No.
Abuelo,
His teeth.
he cannot eat.
Yeah.
No, if my teeth okay.
You old. No eat.
Mire. Está buena.
How are you? 52?
53.
53? You look like 37.
Muy viejo.
I'm 47.
Oh,
Shit.
how about the guy on the other side? He come back? No, he still work?
Chito?
The guy on the side?
No. Yes, I don't know. I don't see his picture. I don't
He's
know.
not there right now.
Maybe he still work?
Maybe
Yeah,
go, maybe go eat the baby.
What he do over there?
Nothing. He's the boss.
He's the
Maybe.
boss.
He's the boss.
Oh.
We don't do shit. He don't do nothing.
Dice, pinche huevón, güey.
Ready to go to J-Town. Ready to go home.
JD go home?
Huh?
Yeah, this is
No,
go.
JD.
He's still on the field?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
He's planning.
Yeah.
Drilling wheat.
Ê, anh alo bà Thầu. Bà Thầu. Oh, the guy he left?
I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you put everything else, okay.
And over here.
You will be okay. You
Yeah.
got a lot of money savings.
Sometimes, you know, busy, sometimes slow.
yeah, I know what you mean.
Yeah.
In the winter time, does it get slow here? It does, huh? Oh no.
Winter time, you know, and next month, they start, you know, the hunting,
Oh,
yeah,
the
but, yeah,
honey.
you get a lot of company.
the fishing.
Yeah,
The
pheasant.
fishing start, I think, the first week, you know, November.
November.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Yes,
Get busy for pheasant.
Salud, vato.
Salud,
bueno.
salud,
Chihuahua.
salud.
Pinche manchón, güey.
Pinche panzón.
Ay,
Mire.
Cerveza.
yeah, you drink it a lot. Sometimes, okay, you know, not every day.
Every day.
Yeah, me sometimes, okay, weekend. Not every
That's
week.
right. It's a weekend. I'm gonna get home, and
Yeah.
I'm not gonna work till next Monday.
¿Sí?
Oh yeah.
Mucha coca.
Mucha coca.
Ah,
Cállate, güey.
buscando
Ahí
good.
está.
No me gusta.
Over there.
Ah,
Está buena. Muy bueno.
Not too much.
Huh?
No
Not too
hot.
bad. No.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Video hay lúa. Tới đây kết thúc à?
Chihuahua.
Hứa hẹn video kế tiếp. Bye.
Arriba Chihuahua.
Ra, review rồi. Lúa. Bye. Bye ba tù.
Bye.